It's now time to unbox the mini Commodore 64. As I said earlier, I had a Commodore 64 when I was a teenager, and I quite liked it. I say teenager, thinking about it, I wasn't. I was like 20. But they were the hip thing to have. Hip. It wasn't the 1960s, you know. As far as I'm aware, this has never been opened before, and it feels like it because that plastic was quite tightly done. So there we go. So we have that for now. No doubt if silence comes up, she'll be in that bag. So we've got Impossible Mission, Speedball 2, Armalite, Nebulas, Spin Dizzy, Boulder Dash, Nodes of Yesod, Iridium, Basic, Paradroid. I remember buying that. I didn't get it. California Games, Creatures, and Robin of the Wood. For legal reasons, isn't called Robin Hood. And the full list there of all the 64 games. So if you want to have a read of that, then you probably can't. Anyway, there's your 64 games. So, well, yeah, it's sealed, both ends. It's got like that tape on it. You can see that's sealed, and whiz it round the other way. You can see it's sealed there as well. So I'm the first person to open this actual one. All they come into the shop. Was it yesterday? Might be yesterday. Day before. Day before. And it'll be going back to the shop later. Right, can't get into it, so I'm going to use a screwdriver, which hasn't got an end on it. Brilliant. The only person in the world that's got a screwdriver that hasn't got an end on it. Brrr. 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 I had a VIC-20, that was my first one. Because I was like a late teen, I wasn't going to be doing the kiddies consoles because I wasn't a kiddie. So I got myself a computer and just played games on it. Because, I'll be honest with you, I was a kiddie. Games were fun. I was born about 10 years too soon, I think. Right, rejoice at this news. I'm actually in. Trying to take that off without damaging the box too much, but I'm not going to put that back on again because it just looks messy when you take them off and put them back on again. Plus I can hardly say it's not been opened, can I? Because that would be ridiculous. So, what are we doing? Are we on? Oh, I've knocked something off. What have I knocked off? Oh, it's the hat off of thingamabobs. Never mind, I'm over it. Right, so that's that. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube. You gotta love whoever it is who comes up with these ideas. Let's tell someone who knows they're live on YouTube, because they're them, that they're live on YouTube. Right then. Making hard work of this. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's got a Peggy 7 with violence, but it's 8-bit violence. I'll be honest, I was not expecting that box to be that fancy. I was expecting that box to be a cardboard box. I mean, it is a cardboard box, but I was not expecting it to be printed. That's a very pleasant surprise. Right then. Oh my god, it's tiny. It's not like every girlfriend I've ever had. Isn't it? Look, that's my hand. I haven't got big hands. And you get a joystick with it as well, which looks like a not a zip stick, but one of the joysticks of the time. So let's have a take the plastic off, and then a little bit disappointed the keyboard is just plastic. I mean, bearing in mind we use the foams with you know, smaller letters than that on them. Seems a bit lazy. But HDMI, power in, and oh, there's your joystick ports as well at the side. So okay, that's that. So we'll take that out. Put that down. Oh, we'll put that over there. There we go. Right. Then we've got that, which is that's your power lead. That's your HDMI lead. And that's your joystick. Now, I personally think it's got too many buttons on it, but then I'm thinking, well, that's probably because the keyboard doesn't work. But even, oh, it even makes the noise. Oh, it's driving me mad when you're playing like Daley Thompson's Decathlon and you're going, because you had to make him run. What else have we got? We've got, now I like this, the bit of detail here. They've gone for the same style as the actual guidebook that you had when you got the machine in the first place. So and that explains what all the joystick is for. So let's pop all this out of the way. So it's so small. It's so small. You know, when you're growing up and you get a Mars bar and you think, God, that's tiny, and then you forget that when you were little you had tiny hands. Well, that's what this feels like. It feels like it was really this big. It's just that we've grown up, although obviously, like I say, I was a late teenager, early 20s by the time I got the 64 and the Amiga. Right, so we're going to have more fun with the USB, not the USB, the HDMI. So I'm going to put the HDMI in. Clickety click, exactly. I've actually got a quick shot control in my window at the shop. It's knackered. It's got bits missing from it and everything, but it still looks the part. And I've heard people say, "Oh my God, I used to have one of them when I was a kid," as they walk past the shop. They're supposed to come in, but they don't. I think they just realise how old they are and then keep going. Always fascinates me as well when usually a father, but sometimes a mother, is talking to the children that they've got with them, saying, very presumptuous there, saying something on the lines of, "Oh, that's the one I used to have when I was little, and yeah, we used to play this and we used to do that and used to do the other," and the child, usually pre-teen or early teens or whatever, has got about as much interest in what is being said to them as they have about what's going on in world politics. You know, it's just like, couldn't care less. Right, so we're now opening this one. So this is going to be the must be the worst job in the world, mustn't it? Wrapping these up for games consoles and stuff. I don't think you can do it with the little plastic thing. I think you have to do it proper like, innit? Right, so that's plugged in. Now we've got the mouse. So we've got the power. Oh, there is a power button on the side, so maybe turn that off. No? It's just got power. Oh no, there it is, it's gone off. Right, thank you. Because remember, they used to say, whatever you do, don't plug in or unplug your joystick when your computer's turned on. We used to be like, "Oh, can't do that. Oh my God, I took the, oh my God." I yanked it too hard and I took out the joystick thing. Because remember the connections we had back in the day, I've got one lying around somewhere, was the black. So if you chop this off, if you chop this bit off and you've just got the black bit, but obviously chunkier with lots of little holes in it, and you push that in to your console. But this is obviously USB, so we'll plug it into the USB thing, and then we shall turn it on. Now we're reckoning this one's going to work straight away. I reckon we're going to have to do a bit of jiggery pokery. Is it going to be jiggery pokery, or is it going to work straight away like? Well, it's not working there like. Let's go on and do like we did before, because we have to do it anyway. I have no idea. The 9-pin DIN plug rectangle thing, yeah, that's exactly right, Toff. It was quite scary. I don't think there was. Well, there might have been 15. No, I don't think it was 15. There might have been somewhere in between. There we go. Right, English. I think we'll go for English. Thank you. Yeah, I said English. Thank you. Right, okay. I think we clicked English. Right, so these are the games. Now, some of these games are absolute classics, and some of them are a pile of cack. So, Alley Cats, never played it. Anarchy, never played it. What's this one? Armalite Competition Edition. I may have played that. No, I've never played that. I don't recognise that screen. Avenger, no. Basic, yeah, we all did Basic. It was so nice. Battle Valley, no. Boulder Dash, yes. This was an absolute genius game. It was so simple, yet so annoying. Bounder, I think I did play Bounder. California Games, I played it on the Lynx. I don't think I ever got it for the. I never had a Lynx, but I played it on the Lynx. I don't think I ever got it for the Commodore 64. Chips Challenge, don't think I had that. Confusion, which is basically Pipe Mania by the looks of it. Cosmic Causeway, I think I might have had something like that, because the Amiga was, Toff will remember, the Amiga was famous for the balls, the spheres that it could create and augment and move around. No, I don't think I ever had that game. I can imagine that game as a game that would absolutely make you pass it out. I'm supposed to put this on, aren't I? Oh, that looks... Creatures. No, I don't think I've read that. Cyberdyne Warrior. No, never had that. You got to remember though, back in the day, when these things, when you went to the local game shop, there might be 10-15 games that have come out that week. A lot of Cybernoid. Never had any of them. Deflector, no. What's that? Everyone's a Wally. I had Everyone's a Wally. Farming Simulator. You think Farming Simulator's recent? Hell no. Fire Lord, no. Oh, that's a Galactica rip-off. We didn't listen to the warnings. We decided to ignore the global decline of bees, and now that Guardians have arrived. You must pilot the 1981 Galenia fighter spacecraft and restore order before it's too late. Now, a lot of these games were made in people's bedrooms. Gribbly's Day Out, Hawkeye, what's that? Heartlands, Herobotics, Highway Encounter, Hunter's Moon. Not played any of these. Hysteria. Impossible Mission. I loved Impossible Mission. And Impossible Mission 2. Now the thing with Impossible Mission was, in my head, it was one of those games where you play it and it goes, ah, another visitor. Stay a while. Stay forever. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. The problem was, it didn't. It sounded like he was basically trapped in a kettle. But I mean, for a computer of the Commodore 64's capabilities, it was amazing. Kill him, my robots. Oh, I'm dead. Right, so I have to be quick and then go up. And go up again. Oh. Searching, looking for love. Oh, look at the printer. Look at the printer. And it's even got, oh my god. We've got the computer up there and the reel-to-reel things. That's amazing. Oh, actually, I'm going to get rid of that. Oh, am I going to get rid of it, or am I going to actually make it come back in on the top? Yeah, I'm going to make it come back in on the top, which is a bit annoying. Alright, okay. Ah, I haven't got a password. That's not fair. Searching, looking for clues. There you go, that's a clue. I think that means that I've got a password to do them. But yeah, I mean, it does say occasionally kill him, my robots. I forgot it had electric and charge things on it. Right, let's temporarily disable the roadworks. Okay, so we can't do that. Oh no! He overjumped. There we go. There we go. Disable the robots. Temporarily disable the roadworks. Password accepted. Right, we've got a time limit on this. Told you. Right, I'm going to have to leave that one. So you can see how the game progresses. I tried moving away then, but I was too busy searching, looking for clues. Hang on. Can I jump them? Look how much searching time does it need? Come on, we can do it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. This is stupid. I'm gonna have to jump one of these at some point. Are you kidding me? I know what you're thinking, how many bloody lives do you get? I'm thinking the same thing, to be fair. I ran into it. Sake. Oh, I jumped into it. Anyway, you get the idea. Exit game. Thank you. Oh! Pit stop 2. Hello, pit stop 2. I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I'm a massive Formula 1 fan. Brands Hatch, that's how old this is. It's not Silverstone, it's Brands Hatch. You've got Hockenheim, Escartes, the Sebring in Florida, Watkins Glen. So we'll go for Brands Hatch. Right. Right, I'm the red one. I didn't know which one I was. So Verstappen's gone. I'm obviously Leclerc, just going past Fernando Alonso. Bear in mind, none of these were actually born. Well, Fernando Alonso was, but none of the others were. Right, that's blocking. It's obviously Lewis Hamilton there, dirty racer. Oh, Verstappen's having a problem. I've just gone past the Williams of Alex Albon. Purple, no idea. Verstappen's just gone past Lance Stroll. Oh, you're right in the middle of the road and we don't have pixel detection that's that good. Oh, see the blue now on my right front tyre. Oh, that's Lando Norris. Oh, I've got them on both tyres now. That means my tyres are getting damaged. This was the first game I played where you actually had to go into the pits. Especially if it goes red. To be honest with you, they've really speeded up the frame rate. The frame rate is so much better than I remember it. Oh, I'm going past Lance Stroll now. So we're on the straight now. cuts up speed. Can't remember how to do pit stops. Oh, there we go. Pits. No! I've still got the same tyres on it. Oh no. Anyway, you get the idea. Fantastic game of its time. Summer Games 2. I had Summer Games 2. I didn't press Summer Games 2. Don't you dare say I pressed Summer Games 2 because I did not. Oh, the opening sequence, of course, where they burn the doves. I forgot about this. Look at that, they try and cook the doves. To be fair, they did it better, I think, in Moscow. Doesn't ever get any better than that, I'll be honest with you. No, I didn't press it, but I've just noticed that there's little stickers on the little protective stickers on the actual pad. No, we're not doing that again. As much fun as it was, we're not doing that again. Thank you. Right. Ranarama. What? Nobby the Aardvark. Street Sport Baseball now. What? Steel. Glacier Minute. Nothing to do. Oh, it's the B one. Avenger. Deflector. Alright, so we've gone through them all. Oh, Monty on the Run. Thing on a Spring. No, we haven't gone through them all at all. Monty on the Run. I'm not saying these games are unforgiving. To be fair, this looks more like a specky game than it does. I assume water's bad. I jumped that. Oh my god. These games are so annoying. Thing on a Spring. Now, Thing on a Spring, I mentioned C64 before, which was the magazine that I've read a few of, and you can actually see them in the playlist somewhere. Someone said they're going to bring me some more Zap64s in so I could read them, but they never did. I was gutted. Even if I just borrowed them and give them back again. But it featured Thing on a Spring in it. It was like a little character that was in the margins and all that kind of stuff and come back with silly comments, along with Boulder from Boulder Dash. So, oh, what the hell? Why has that turned into a light bulb? Ah, hang on a minute. Alright, right now I just check my zip stick. Hi Kim, game machine you playing on? Mini Richards. Okay, thank you. Hope you're okay. I'm not bad. Is that 6 for Olympics? I had the winter ones. So yeah, there you go. Oh, I've died. I was busy looking at what you'd written. What? Gremlin graphics. No idea. Maybe Thing Bounces Back is a better game. Why is there no music? I'll be honest with you, this is worse. Yeah, no, we'll move on. This is the one I've been after. This is the reason we're doing this. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Nebulas. Now, many times I've spoke to people about Nebulas, and I've even referred to Conker's Bad Fur Day as having a nebulous element to it. Right, I shot at that. Right, so basically, you go around this tower. I mean, this is... Oh. Try not to fall in the water. Right. So you go around this tower. Oh, it was there. Right, okay, we'll try again. I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to concentrate. Right, I know how to jump now. Try again. I jump? At least I killed that thing this time. I remember getting much further than this. Oh. Okay, there you go. Oh no, you got me. Right, figured it out now. No, we're fine now. We're fine now, Nebulas people. But the spinning thing was amazing for its time. I mean, remember this is on a Commodore 64 that's got less power than... Oh, God. Oh no! Oh! Oh, hang on. Right. Oh, that was lucky. Right, that was lucky as well. Oh, for God's sake. What? Ah! Did I mention this game is really annoying? But so simple, it's amazing. Right, we know what we're doing now. We know what we're doing now. This is the thing with these games. They were very simple, but you had to figure out what you were doing. Oh, that was lucky. Oh no. Well, at least I avoided the other things, so the timing ball things, whatever they are. That thing. Oh no! What? What? No, 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 no. Got 5 seconds left. Anyway, you see why that is such a good game. Creatures, Cyberdyne Warrior, Netherworld, not my cup of tea to be fair. World Games. I don't think I had that one. I think I'd given up on the game things by the time that came out. Nose of Yezod, Mission AD, no, Robin of the Wood, Hawkeye, Hunter's Moon, Anarchy. School days. Oh my god. You must get your school report out of the staff room safe. Each schoolmaster knows one letter of the 4-letter combination. Hit all of the shields hanging on the walls and somehow force each master to reveal their letter. However, some shields seem too high. Work out the combination order, open the safe, then stop the shields from flashing to win. Everyone's a Wally. Cybernoid 2, Mission Impossible 2, Impossible Mission 2 even. Speedball, Confusion, Spin Dizzy. I mean, some of these will be repeated, aren't they? Boulder Dash. Or have we gone round now? No, Jumpman. 64 Hall of Fame, Snare, Ark of Yezard, Cosmic Causeway. Yeah, that looks familiar. That doesn't look familiar though. That doesn't look familiar. That does look familiar. So I think they just maybe they put them in a random order. Yeah, I think we're back at the beginning again now. So we'll have one go Boulder Dash, which is another classic puzzle game of its time. When you walk under the boulders, they fall. So the idea is to get all the diamonds without being crushed. Sounds easy, but it's not. Ha ha ha! Okay. There's also a random generator in this as well, if I remember rightly, so not everything's in the same place. Was that the Amiga version? I don't know, I can't remember. Right, we're getting there now. Of course, as soon as you think you're doing well, that means the exit's open. Yeah, exit. Oh, thank you. What? I think I should press the button then, but never mind. Try Mission Impossible 2. See what he says this time. Kill him, my robots. Oh, nothing. 2. Zero, 1, 0, 1, 2. Yeah. No, the first one was the best one. We won't talk about that one anymore. Speedball. Preferred Speedball 2, but that was on the Amiga. But I did have Speedball. At the time I didn't realise I didn't like football games. Alright, I'm green, I thought I was red. Oh. Yeah, okay. So maybe not as good as I remember him. Speedball 2! I know I had it on the Amiga. Along with Xenon 2 as well. Yeah, okay. Farming Simulator. I can't believe it. I even am shocked that it's that old. Hitler, oh yes, Hitler has only got one. Oh, really? There you go. Is that a rat or something? I don't know what that is. This is dreadful. I think it's fair to say it's of its time. It's of its time. And its time was like 40 years ago. Well, 30 years ago. Don't get me wrong, I've played worse things in my time. So I've turned it off, so I'm going to wrap it all up again for the guy who's coming to collect it. There we go. Where I've put the box? Put the box down here. It's down here. It's down here. Here, down here. Before I go to sleep and focus on the day that's been. Let's take that. To be fair, the Evercade sold as well. To a different person, not the same person. We've got less than an hour to go. Less than an hour to go. We've less than an hour to go. We've less than an hour to go. Right, so that's it for the retro part of this. Except, of course, it isn't. But the next retro stuff we're going to be playing is on the Xbox Series X